Okay, can you just sit down so that way I can cover you and what you're writing? Okay, can you tell them that your teacher said you're going to have a Chinese name and it's, what is it? Tell them. Tell them. Tell them. Okay, now tell them I'm going to write it for you.
I'm going to write it for you, and if you don't understand, let me tell you.
Can you write it? Okay, wait, 1 minute. Start writing. Beautiful. Okay. Let them see it. This is, read it out. Okay, and that is your name is?
Chinese.
Awesome. Okay, tell them thank you for listening and I'll see you again later. I'll make another video and send you soon. Chali, jaldi, fatafat.
Good.
Thank you for listening.
Thank you for listening. I'll send another video. And if you want to listen to what Chinese, you could ask me in the other next video.
Okay. Can you ask them, did you like my new glasses?
Did you like my new glasses?
Let me know about it.
Let me know about it. Is it yes or no?
Look and say bye. See you guys.
Bye.